we were talking about summer container gardens, probably one of my favorite topics that you talked about like last year, and I bet like a lot of people ask you when they come into Wallich, you know, Jeff, help me, you know, figure out the perfect container.
People love to do container gardening. It's simple, it's easy, it's changeable. You know, if things don't work, you can just rip it out, put something else in.
Love that.
And it's just it's just ever evolving, and you can do container gardening for all 4 seasons, not just one season.
And all different types and trends and things. And what you have here is kind of your container gardening bar.
Right, because
Okay.
you know, I like my bars, my cocktail bars, and I like my food bars. So I thought it'd be kind of fun. You could do with the family. You could create like an evening where you're just creating containers. And you have all these different plants to choose from, and you can just basically make your own container. So I picked items that are gonna be more for hummingbirds and butterflies. So we got some like salvia, we got geraniums, we got angelonia, and we're basically just gonna start to build our container. I'm an asymmetrical person, so I put a lot of tall things toward the back. But you can basically just create your container, you know, however you want to.
And if you don't like it, because you always encourage me to do this. You're like, Claudia, just take it out.
Yeah,
and
just take it out if you
go
don't
for
like it. Move
Yeah,
it around.
Move it around.
You know, if you have commitment issues, container gardening is the best because you're not committed to anything with it.
With the butterfly container garden, is this going to survive the summer, or what things would you like start taking out and replacing?
So these
after
are
butterfly?
all going to survive the summer. I would probably take out, you know, because you can do take out some things and put like pumpkins and things in it. It's really depends on how the summer ends and what things didn't work, and you just kind of yank stuff out and then add your pumpkins and pansies and things like that into it.
Always love it. How much dirt do you put in this?
So I always fill the container all the way up, and then if you need to add more or take out, you can do that with your container garden.
All right, you win. All these ideas are at wallich.net.